Hey everyone, welcome to my very first tutorial for Python, showing you how to download Python. So first what you want to do is go to your browser and type python.org and it'll carry you to the Python website and you'll see this downloads. When you click it, you'll see this yellow bar and click it to download Python. When it is complete, you'll see this download bar, and when you click it, it'll take you to the wizard. And since I already have installed, I can't install again, but you guys don't have installs, so just go through the process and download it. So after you're done, you're gonna go to your search bar and type in Python, and there you're gonna see a lot of things, but the thing we're gonna use for this tutorial series is IDLE. So when you click it, the window pops up. So I know you guys are really ready to code right now, but for now I'll just teach you guys one thing, just to make sure that the Python shell works. Okay, so what you guys are gonna do is type print parentheses quotation mark whatever you want to type. For me, I'm just gonna say hello world and quotation mark parentheses. And when you press enter, it should print out these things that you wrote in the quotation marks. Now it works. So this means that your Python works, and yeah, this is my first video for Python tutorials. Uh, Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow these instructions and get this installed. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.